Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uvane lo so ngiphathele indaba regarding ama transfer news la ku Betway Premiership. Indaba ke bafethu engiyizwile namhlanje Orlando Pirates isisayine umdlali wesithathu oqhamuka kwi-Ubuntu Football. Lo mjide lo bafethu uyiwinger. But ke usayintwana. I don't think Orlando Pirates izomdlalisa ku first team, uzodlala ku DD side ye-Orlando Pirates. Lapho khona sesayine 2 players abaqhamuka khona. Lo mjide lo kuzoba umdlali wesithathu. Kuthiwa usazofinisha umatric wakhe before ajoin Orlando Pirates. Uzobuyela le Cape Town ayoqedela izifundo zakhe. Ngimfisela okuhle bafethu iwinga leli eliprolific elidlala ngempela abalithembile ukuthi ilona winga leli elizopromote ku-Orlando Pirates lifike lapha licompete for iJersey. Kwezinye izindaba abafethu eziphumile kuthiwa Orlando Pirates are set to hand uNeo Mokoena owazalwa ngo-2003 his first senior contract. The talented winger is expected to feature more prominently in the first team this coming season. Umjida sengakhuluma ngaye before bafethu ukuthi uNeo Mokoena is that player ongambona kule season ezoqala. uJose Rivero wakhuluma lukhulu ngayo lo mjida lo wefisa ukumbona edlala ku first team Orlando Pirates, but ke uJose akasekho right now. Usekhona uAbdeslam uyena ozoqhubeka naleyo initiative. uAbdeslam ke unayo imentality yokusebenzisa izintwana ezincane seke vele before wasebenza nabafana abancane, so I trust Abdeslam uzokwazi ukudlalisa labafana abancane kwi-main team ye-Orlando Pirates. No Mokoena will become a new winger ye-Orlando Pirates ezodlala abafethu talented nalo mjidelo, so maybe that player oqhamuka le Cape Town will replace uNeo Mokoena kwi-DDC side ye-Orlando Pirates. uNeo cause uzopromotwa ayodlala kwi-first team. Izindaba eziphume namhlanje bafethu indaba eyishaqisayo, but ke ayishaqisi ngaleyo ndlela cause vele iCape Town City bizobadedela labadlali cause biyihlathini. Indaba ke iphume namhlanje kuthiwa iCape Town City officially confirmed the departure of 9 players. Kulo 9 players kubalwa khona uThamsanqa Mkhize, uDarwin Gonzalez lo siyakhuluma ngaye, Darren Keats, uLorenzo Godino, Fortune Makarenge, Hashim Domingo, Elson Sithole, Kamogelo Mogojo and Thabo Nodada. These 9 players have departed abasayidlalela Cape Town City bafethu, so babona bejoina amanye ama team. Darren Keats unama links with iSikhukhune United. Thamsanqa Mkhize currently angakezwe ilutho ngaye. Lorenzo Godino unama links with iDurban City. Hashim Domingo angakezwe ilutho ngaye, so abadlali la ngenzeka sibabone bereserve kwi Betway Premiership, but ke asas currently. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje bafethu iSikhukhune United isi-announce another signing okuManuel Sapunga. uManuel Sapunga bafethu bo-goalkeeper ovimbela iPolokwane City. Usebem-announcile usevimbela iSikhukhune United right now. Ungomunye wama-signing ase-announcewe iSikhukhune United. iSikhukhune si-serious ngempela kuleli win. Sebe-announce uMiguel Team, Ronaldo Maman, Bradley Grobler, Siphiwe Mahlangu. Right now sekuManuel Sapunga uyena uzwa go-challenger to be the new goalkeeper weSikhukhune United FC. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu eziphume namhlanje uThabang Simanyoni is training with the Durban City FC. Thabang Simanyoni has been training with the newly promoted side, Betway Premiership side, after parting ways with Mamelodi Sundowns. Menikhumbula kahle ke Sundowns released i-list yabadlali badedelile, and uThabang Simanyoni was one of those players. Menikhumbula kahle last season he was playing for iMagesi FC, but right now uyi-free agent kuthiwa ubonakale ejima neDurban City. Let's hope lo mjidelo uzosayinwa eDurban City because uyi-quality, a player that was playing for iMamelodi Sundowns for the longest time and being loaned. Umjida akunikeza something, hungry to play for a team ezazi ukuthi ifunani, so I trust uThabang Simanyoni maybe umsayina weDurban City uzokwazi ukuyibonakalisa as that man ongakwazi ukudlala in the highest top football. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje bafethu iproduct eKaizer Chiefs goalkeeper, a promising goalkeeper uLungelo Nkosi has found a new home kuMilford FC. Umjida useyodlalela iclub edlala kuNFD. Yabo, let's hope ukuzokwazi kuyisiza iMilford ipromote iyodlala kwiBetway Premiership. Kwezinye izindaba esitholile namhlanje kuthiwa ama-fans ase-Netherlands ayitshela ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs abasebenza kwi-Potato Crisp Factory. The attention of Chiefs Potato Crisp brand has overshadowed the Soweto Giants pre-season training in the northwestern European country. Hayibo. So nje abalendeli bayitshela ukuthi abadlali beKaizer Chiefs babasebenzi benkampani yenza ama-chips. Yabo, because nyayizwe nani. Ngazi noma kuyiliqiniso noma kwamanga yini, but ke uCity Press uwona ukhiphele indaba lezi. Yabo, nje anibona nje no News 24 uthekiwe. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu uMareko lo mdlali weOrlando Pirates okwathi imsayinile umjida kuthiwa he is currently training with iChippa United okungenzeka ukuthi Orlando Pirates lo mjidi imsayinile but ke bazoqala bemlone kwiChippa United bambone usudlala kanjani kwiChippa United before joining Orlando Pirates because ivamsile vele ukwenzeka into kanjalo ukuthi umdlalo umthenge but before umdlalisi umdlalo kumele uqale umlone kwamanye ama-team adlala la kwi-Betway Premiership. So I support lento leyo ukuthi uMariko ngenzeka alone kwiChippa. I'm not saying kumele alone but let's see the player ukuthi udlala kanjani before ajoin i-team because asikwazi ukusayina umdlali esingakaze simbone vele ukuthi udlala kanjani because mesimsayina somsayina angadlalele kahle masimbeke ebenchini angayithola game time. So we need to see him playing for other teams yabo simlonile. But ke okwamanje ujima with iChippa United. Let's hope uzofika impress lapha mase iChippa United ifuna ukumsayina on a loan deal because na iChippa United yabadinga abadlali isathanda kudedela abadlali abawu18 so they need new players. iChippa United kumele yenze decision la right ngoMariko. Kwesinye izindaba futhi eziphumile kuthiwa iDurban City FC is linked to Hugo Magia oyi-center back. Lo mjida lo kuthiwa there are no formal talks yet but ikhona i-interest from iDurban City. Let's hope iDurban City izomsayina lo mjida lo but ke asazi yabadinga naye abadlali aba-right iDurban City yabo isathanda kupromote so they need quality players. I like the way they are targeting abadlali abasha yabo abalindi baloko belanda kubadlali badala kakhulu bayaya nangaphandle kwase-South Africa bayaya bayocinga italent so lento le ingabasiza yabo. Let's hope ideal le engabasiza impela kuleya center back position abafuna ukuyivala lapha kwiDurban City.